As a state-of-the-art design and production facility, the Polymer Enclave, which was built during the COVID-19 pandemic, significantly shortens the timeline from concept to delivery of critical components for the U.S. warhead modernization programs. Polymers have proven to be game-changing materials in additive manufacturing, particularly in producing warhead components with one-of-a-kind requirements. When heated, polymers can soften and flow, but stiffen when cooled. Livermore and our production partner in this area, the Kansas City National Security Campus, work closely together to improve the iterative process of designing, certifying, and deploying polymer components for our nation's nuclear deterrent. With the ambitious goal of cutting the production timeline for polymer parts from 6+ years to less than 4 years, the Polymer Enclave features equipment and work environments identical to those at the Kansas City National Security Site.
When you look at what we've done within the security enterprise in the past, where say the model was the design agency would come up with the design and then throw it over to the wall to the production agency, that model is not agile, it's not responsive, and it's not fast.
Inside the Enclave, a polymer part begins its production journey in the ink processing room. Once an ink has been mixed, it will then undergo a series of tests to ensure its quality for printing. When the ink is ready for printing, it will be taken to the adjacent room where advanced 3D printing machines line the walls, allowing for simultaneous printing of multiple parts. Once printed, the part will undergo a series of quality tests, including stress, temperature, and composition analysis before being certified and ready for deployment. Data gathered during these final stage tests are extremely insightful for future polymer component design and developments. Much more than a building, the Polymer Enclave at Livermore showcases our commitment to cross-site collaboration and concurrent engineering